Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let me show you how easy it is to create viral videos from scratch, even if you've never edited a single video before using Freezur app. I promise you've never seen anything like this. Freezur isn't just another video editor. It's an all-in-one system that does everything for you, from writing the script, generating visuals, and adding voiceovers, to syncing captions and music automatically. All you have to do is pick your topic, choose a style, and let the AI handle the rest. You can create content in niches like gaming, sci-fi, lifestyle, or even storytelling drama, the exact kind of stuff blowing up on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts right now, all from easy-to-use dashboard. It's simple, fast, and actually kind of fun to use.
Hey there, this is Freezur, an all-new app that lets you create viral videos. Exactly the same kind of videos that are taking the internet by storm right now. I'm talking about the viral storyteller-style videos that are absolutely a rage on sites like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Take a look at how viral
things girls do that they think are cute but are actually.
Look at these samples, 96,000 likes, and this is not a very old video, 17,000 likes. 5,759
My
likes.
classmate beat me in Kahoot and stole my Jolly Rancher, so I tied him to a tree, skinned him alive, and shoved
27,000
A man
likes.
has been standing in the middle of our street for the past 4 days.
54,000
My mom
likes.
got me a toy to relieve some.
These videos are extremely viral right now, and it is so incredibly easy to produce them if you have the right tools. Yes, the AI can do all the work, right from creating a perfect viral script to creating the visuals to setting it up all together, and then you can just publish it online on your handle and get the traffic. This is what Freezur does. Create these highly viral style videos. You can use them to promote any product or service you want. You can even place your product or service into the video organically. Let's take a look at how this works. So this is the dashboard of Freezur, and to get started you click on create, and then you click on create a video from scratch. Or if you want to get your own script, maybe you want to source a script from Reddit, or you want to put in your own script, you can click on I have my script, or just click on create a video from scratch, and then you can choose the kind of video you want to produce. Plus you have all these options for AIs that can be used to write the script. So if you want to use GPT-5 or Cloud or Gemini or Grok or Llama, that's absolutely possible. Now Gemini is our favorite AI for these kind of videos. Now you have so many different topics to write on. Either you can create a custom topic, a topic that you want to pick yourself, or you can pick a topic from any of these available. For example, let's pick up science fiction. I know it is one of the most loved niches online. And what the first thing Freezur does is it will create an idea for you. Yes, it will create an idea, and you can rewrite this or create a new idea or just modify it yourself if you want to. Let's say you don't like this idea and you want a new one. All you need to do is click on new idea, and it will create a new idea. A gamer activates a vintage sci-fi console that rips open a portal to the multiverse of tropes. Perfect. I think I will go with it. Next, you can decide to promote a product. Let's say you want to promote a specific product. You can. Check this out. Promote my web design company, designu.com. We create designs for our small businesses. So you can promote absolutely any product you want. It's a physical product, not a problem. If it's a virtual product, not a problem. If it's a service like this one, that's okay too. Next, you can decide how long you want the video to be. So if you want to publish on the vertical format on TikTok and you want to go viral with it, you can make a video that's up to 5 minutes. Or if you want to publish it on YouTube, you can go for up to 45 minutes, and you can change that too. So let's say you want a video for up to 30 minutes, absolutely possible. If you want a shorter video, not a problem. For this particular demo, let's make a video that is up to 5 minutes, and then you can also choose the ratio. So for TikTok, 9:16 is the perfect ratio. That's what I'm gonna choose. And then you can choose the AI you want to use to write the entire script. Again, I'm going to use Gemini. Click on proceed, and next you can choose the voiceover. So for audio AI, we have an option to either go for OpenAI, or if you want to bring in your own voices, maybe you want to even clone your voice and bring it into this and have the video created in your own voice, you can use 11 Labs, and then you can bring in your own voice ID and key and easily use that particular voice. Now let's go for OpenAI. You can give the AI special instructions on how you want the voice to be. Speak in an emotional tone. Right? So you can give instructions like this. You can choose accents, whatever you want. Just tell the AI what you want it to behave like and it will do so. Next, you can choose the voices.
Hey there, I'm Ash. Chill, natural, and
Hi, I'm Ballard. Your words crafted.
Hi, I'm Nova. Energetic.
Hey there, I'm Ash.
I think
Chill,
I'll go for Ash. I
natural,
kind
and
of like his
expressive.
voice. Always was partial to him. Next, click on proceed and it's writing the script right now. And there you have it. The entire script is already written for you for the entire video. You can read it up. Yo, what up, my digital delinquent? It's your boy Pixel Palsy back at it with another late night stream that probably goes nowhere. So it starts off just like a regular viral video would. It is engaging. The language is catchy. It is designed to grab attention and keep people absolutely fixed to the screen, to the video. Now you can change anything about it that you want. If you want to modify anything, you can do so. Remove something, yes, it's possible. Adapt something, yes, it's possible. Let's say you want to change this to designu, you could do that. And again, if you want to rewrite it for some reason, you've got all these different AIs that you can use. You can either go for a new script. Let's say you don't like it at all, click on the new script to get a new one. Or if you want to use the same theme but write a new script and just start off with the same concept, but again, you can click on rewrite script and it's going to use the same concept and start off a new script, right? So again, remember our product that we thought about, it is already integrated in this. It mentions the site and it mentions a pitch too. So if you want to change the pitch, if you want to change the message, you can do that. Or if you're okay with it, then just click on proceed. And next you can choose the captions that you want to use. So we have a number of different fonts. This is a pretty cool font and we've got many different styles. So this is just a regular text style. This is when the color changes. The word is highlighted as it's spoken. The words appear as it's spoken. The words will be highlighted with a background. So you get a lot of different styles to choose from. I actually kind of like this one, so I will use this. You can choose the highlight color if you want to. You want to change it, you can. If you want to change the font color, you can. If you want to choose the border, you can. Typically, I like the text to be displayed at the bottom, but you have three options: middle, bottom, or top. Many people like middle too. I'll put mine on bottom. Click on proceed, and now you can choose background music. Now it's your choice whether you want background music or not. Many people like to put background music on their videos. Some people don't, so it's totally on you. You can listen to the background music available. I kind of like this one, so I will choose it. I do want background music. You can also set up volume. So I'll leave it at 40. I think it's already calibrated to be good. If you want to upload your own music, you can do that too. We have quite a big library, in fact, and you can pick up the music that we already have. If you want to get fresh music from Pixabay, you can do that. Once your selection is final, click on proceed. And now you've got a selection of backgrounds that you want to use. So we have a huge number of backgrounds that you can use, and you can search them if you want to. And you can even use videos from stock library. So if you want to source from Pexels or Pixabay, you can easily source the videos. For example, you've got a bunch of cake videos that are already a part of my search. Now you can queue these videos on your final video by just clicking on this. For example, over here. So first this video will play, and if I want to change, if I want to add on more videos, I can do that. For example, I'm gonna add a bunch of car videos for this particular video, and we've got like about 10 minutes, I think, maybe one more. Yeah, about 10 minutes of car videos. So you can add those. If you want to upload your own videos, you can do so too. And adding a video from Pexels is quite easy. Let's say we wanted to add a car video from Pexels. Just click on search, and it's found a bunch of car videos from Pexels. So I'm gonna probably choose this one, add it, and it's already added, as you can see. All the videos that you upload will be available in my library. So basically Freezur gives you a lot of choice about the kind of backgrounds. Now, if you've seen these storyline videos online, you know that people like to use a lot of different varieties for the background videos. They want to use gameplays, sometimes they want to use recipe videos or some art creation. You can choose the style you want. We have a number of different options in categories like gameplay, satisfying and relaxing, and standard collection. So you can browse them, pick the videos you want and add them to the queue. Now Freezur lets you create either split screen videos where the screen is divided into two portions with a video on top and another video on bottom. I'm sure you've seen these kind of videos on TikTok or other social networks, other video networks. People really like them. Or you can use a full screen display, full screen video too. For this one, I'm going to keep a full screen video. Click on proceed next, and now it is downloading some of the video clips that are required. Takes just a few seconds. Once all the videos are downloaded, it's gonna combine all those separate clips into one single video, and that takes a few more seconds. And once that finishes, it's gonna create the voiceover. So basically it does everything you need to do to create these videos. You don't need to edit anything, you don't need to compile anything together. It just does everything on full autopilot. Next, it will transcribe the audio to turn it into captions. And finally, when everything is done, it is now rendering the video. By the way, while this happens, you can do anything else you want. Freezur will work in the background and get the entire work done. And when your final video is ready, you can either download it to your computer by clicking on the download button and save it to your PC, or you can even play it inside of Freezur.
Yo, what up, my digital delinquents? It's your boy Design You, back at it with another late night stream that probably goes nowhere. But tonight went somewhere, like everywhere. So picture this. I'm chilling, grinding. You know the drill. My setup is fire, RGB on point. Then, my grandma, bless her heart, brings over this ancient relic, a console, not a PlayStation 1, not even a Nintendo 64. This thing looked like it.
Well, I had to force myself to stop because I just was curious about what's next. And my eyes were glued to the action on the screen and my ears were absolutely focused on what the speaker was saying. That is why these videos are so popular and so viral, because they literally make your viewer freeze on track and watch them without a pause. Now it gives you a little bit of stats about how much time it took to generate the entire video, the details, the model, all the things like that. If for some reason you want to redo the video, you can just click this button and redo it, go back and do it by scratch. Or if you want to change any particular thing, you can do that. All the videos that you create are visible on the dashboard. Now, if you look at the sidebar, you've got options like videos where you will see a list of the videos. And there is another cool little thing called create clip. Now you've seen the clips that we already have. We've compiled a big collection for you in every single category. But let's say you want to create something that's absolutely specific, that's absolutely custom. Well, with Freezur, you can do that. All you need to do is either animate an image. So if you want to bring in your own image and animate it, you can do so, or you can create new from scratch. So you can choose how you want the image to be. You can choose the style. Let's say you want to use cinematic, and let's create something space oriented. Click on the size that you want to create, let's say 9:16, and we've got so many different AIs that you can use. I'll use functional. All right, so we have the generated image and now it's time to animate it. So you can put in a prompt that can show the action, the spaceship glimmering. And then for animation, you've got a number of different AIs that you can use. I'm gonna stick to Cdance One Light and we'll make a 5-second visual. Click on generate and it'll take some time. It's generating it now. And the video is ready, so we can play the video by clicking on view. And there you can see the video. So the stars are glimmering just as I wanted. The spaceship is glimmering. So you can now use this clip inside of your videos when you create your video. So let's say you want to make a thematic video about spaceships and aliens. Well, you can create the perfect visuals for it and make your video even more unique. So imagine the possibilities with Freezur. You can get started in seconds. You can have your video out in minutes and you can create as many videos you want. Let me remind you, you can also promote products products, whether it's your product or whether it is your client's product, you can promote them inside of your video. Now, these videos get thousands or even millions of views depending on the story, the theme, and the opportunity. So you can get the exposure that so far you've only dreamt of. So if you're ready to go viral, get Freezur and get started.